Good morning, student. Today we will do the remaining three parts of question first, fourth question part, fifth part or sixth part. Let us start. First part 4u square plus 8u. 4u square plus 8u. Taking 4u as common because it can write as 4 into u square. Rough work. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So taking 4 and u common. Here only u left plus 4 comma u common, then we have left only 2. So 4u plus u plus 2. These are two factors of this polynomial 4u square plus 8u. But we have to find the zeros. When we have to find the zeros, we have to acute these factors equal to 0. Accuting them equal to 0. 4u equal to 0 and u plus 2 is equal to 0. u is equal to 0 अपॉन मल्टीप्लाई है 4 यानी दूसरी साइड आकर ये क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड में u अपॉन 4 इज इक्वल टू u एंड u plus 2 equal to 0, u is equal to minus 2. We have two factors, we have two zeros, one is 0, another is minus 2. Now find the relationship between zeros and their coefficient. Now sum of zeros, first 0 is 0, second minus 2, their sum is minus 2. Now product of 0, multiply minus 2, we get 0. Now with the coefficient, we find the sum of 0 with the help of coefficient. Now again write down the polynomial 4u square plus 8u. Here constant term is not, then we write it as 0. Compare with the polynomial. Compare with polynomial, quadratic polynomial, standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is a coefficient of x square. Here variable is u, coefficient of u square is 4. So a is 4 and coefficient of x is b here. Here coefficient of u is 8. B is 4 and C is 0. We get the values of A, B, C. Now find the sum of zeros. Sum of 0 we now get minus B upon A. Here B is 4 minus B upon A. We get here polynomial B is 8, sorry. B is 8. Not 4. We get answer minus 2. Sum of 0 is minus 2 with the help of a coefficient. Now find product of zeros. We know the formula C upon A. Here C is 0. 0 upon 4 something, 0 upon something is 0. Now with the help of coefficient, we find the sum of zeros and product of zeros, and with the help of zeros we also find the zeros, sum of zeros and product of zeros. Both are same. Number 1, number 2. So we have done the relation, we have verified the relationship between zeros and their coefficient. From 1 and 2 we have verified the relationship between zeros and their coefficient. Now question number 5th start. 5th is t square minus 15. T square minus 15. Firstly, make the factors of this polynomial. Now, here power is 2. So 15 can be write as root 15 raised power 2. We know that root or 2 can be cancelled. So 15 can be write as root 15 raised power 2. Now here apply identity a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. Here a is t or b is root 15. So we get t minus root 15, t plus root 15. These are factors of this polynomial t square minus 15. Now we find the zeros. If we have to find the zeros, equating these factors equal to 0. Now equating them equal to 0, both t is equal to minus root 15 है. Then when it goes another side of 0, it becomes plus. So t is equal to plus 15, t is equal to minus 15. We get 2 plus 15. Second 0 is t is equal to minus 15. These are two zeros. Now sum of zeros. Root 15 plus minus root 15. Plus or minus, it becomes 0. Sum of 0 is 0. Now product of zeros. Root 15 multiply minus root 15. We know that if root 15 multiply by root 15, then it remains only 15. Plus or minus, it becomes minus. Product of 0 is minus 15 and sum of 0 is 0. Now with the help of coefficient, we find the sum of zeros and product of zeros. We have polynomial t square minus 15. It can be written as t square. Here variable of t is not here. Then we can write 0 into t. Because 0 is multiplied by t, then it becomes 0 minus 15. Compare with quadratic polynomial. What's standard form of quadratic? Ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is the coefficient of t square is 1. A is 1 and b is 0. Minus 0 plus 0 can be written as 0. C is minus 15. Now with the help of coefficient, sum of zeros minus b upon a. Here minus 0 upon a, 0. Product of zeros, c by a. C minus 15 upon a is 1. Both answers are same. So we have verified the relationship between sum of zeros and product of zeros. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2 verification is done. Now question number 3rd. Third question is 3x square minus x minus 4. Now let us start. 3x square minus x minus 4. Making their factors. Multiply a and c. We want multiplication of two number is minus 12. Now think two pairs. 2 the 3 digit numbers two numbers whose multiplication is minus 12, but in the same way we also want their difference is 1. 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, but we want minus, so we take minus sign. Minus 4 into 3 minus 12, minus 4 plus 3 we get minus 1. Both conditions are fulfilled, so we take this pair. Now starts 3x minus 4, 3x minus 1 can be written as in two parts, minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4, variable here, variable is x, so taking variable with both numbers. Minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Now common, making pair of two numbers. First pair is 3x square minus 4x. Second pair is 3x minus 4. Now taking common, here only x is common. So we have 3x minus 4. Here nothing is common, then we can take only 1, 3x minus 4. We have two factors. One factor is 3x minus 4. We have another factor x plus 1. We have two factors. One is 3x minus 4, another is x plus 1. Now we want to find zeros. If we want to find zeros, then equating these factors equal to 0. 3x minus 4, x plus 1. 3x minus 4 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0. Now 3x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 3. Either x plus 1 equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1. We have two zeros. One is x equal to 4 by 3. Another is x equal to minus 1. Now we find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros with the help of zeros. 4 by 3 minus plus minus becomes minus. If denominator is not here, then we can write 1. Taking also 1 and 3, we get 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. Similarly, 1 divided 3, we get 3. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 1 by 3. Sum of 0 is 1 by 3. Now product of zeros, multiply these two numbers, 4 by 3 minus 1. We get minus 4 by 3. Now these are we have done with the actual zeros obtained. Now with the help of coefficient, again write down the polynomial 3x square minus x minus 5. Compare with the ax square bx plus c. Here a is 3, b is minus 1, c is minus 4. Now sum of zeros, minus b upon a, minus b, minus is, this minus is in formula, b minus 1 upon 3, we get 1 by 3. Now product of zeros, c by a. C is minus 4, a is 3. We get minus 4 by 3. Both answers are same. Sum of 0 and product of 0 with obtained zeros, and sum of 0 and product of 0 with the help of their coefficient a, b, c. Both are same. From 1 and 2, we have find the relationship between zeros and coefficient. From 1 and 2, verification is done. Thank you.